Jumani at watch.
Yes.
And now no pay the morning after Ghana beating car.
Yes.
5-0.
Yes.
Historic. What was the
Yeah.
last time? Yes, sir, 5.
It's a share chart 5.
Yeah,
during the first leg, no. That was near boy, you know, a born match, a few match.
If
you are crowd, and I think the same more. Yes. Sally Sumo, and of course, Obekaya, those 5-0, and I 5-0 win. I think that one year share 5. So, we thought because I deal with competition. Yes, I share 5 I share chart 5.
Wow, Nipa.
And once I share Central African Republic so 5. What you say? And one share Madagascar 3. 3 matches in 13 goals. So am I in superior goals?
I have a desire Bonapasso.
Oh, Abadi, yes, Abad. And now I went on my X handle to praise him. Say me one of the fierce critics, especially one more me and Timan qualify AFCON. Ye charge on a one so. A body, criticizing and sending tactics in Kuyi. But World Cup qualifiers now, or Boamia Kuyi. I applaud him for doing that.
That's great.
And now, at least 5-0 scoreline. And I even post match and players in the interview, they were saying, they felt said they were going to win, but honestly, no one expected. And it was good. And I said, it's a pattern of goals, 2 defenders. 1 midfielder, 2 attackers. Salisu, Jiku, Pate, Afi, Jordan, Kamaldeen. And Kamaldeen is watching the first goal for Black Stars.
Yeah, historic.
Since 2019, about 20 more no chance here about Black Stars. Yes. What Black Stars cover 5-6 years. And also, he was just waiting for the first goal. And we're happy say first goal now, we're expecting more say and Mekau. After said yeah, qualify. Yen Gemma FIFA man Mekashi, I qualify. Mubia Meka wine and a dear
mathematically.
But yeah, mathematics if I qualify. Dear okay, dear TD. Say no, yeah, what 22 points, right? Plus of 16 goals. What you say? Yeah, was 22 points plus of 16 goals. And now Madagascar for no, award 19 points plus 9 goals.
Difference there, say.
You beat almost 7. So in this case, no, as I said, Omoko share Mali 2. Na Comoros share 5.
And that's almost share more.
And that's almost share 5. Na Comoros share 2. Ansana ye pepebo ansani abagos we enya fe na me beka se be yi na nye ya qualify ye ntwe ma FIFA meka bibia mo ye ntwe ma FIFA meka bibia ya qualify World Cup no ye nan so bi 4 countries ni ya qualify ye so ye kan
obi China kwasi
Tunisia qualify Morocco qualify Egypt qualify ye so ye kan bi ya qualify me ntwe ma FIFA na o change se FIFA meka se ni say ya qualify we masa obi anjina ni ya qualify obi anjina ni
we declare
na we mo tell me bawo say instances are making one pa ye bet na wa ma Comoros ababe share 5 wa
obuti ba bia na nkofo na ko che o ma ko go mo ho ame ya sho mo
omo de omo share
Madagascar for no
omo de yiri so who say one thing
omo last match so
omo near then say all the 3 results what game na I bet me see na still ya qualify.
Yeah.
Until na make say ya qualify no. Yes.
You premature.
Me say ya ne Comoros game na e baso. Sunday game na e baso no. All the results what football bia bet me still ya qualify.
Yo.
You bet me lose. You bet me win. You bet me draw. But me di kan catch say qualification ya secure wie. Me de me medical catch them you. Enya afi na me betwen na FIFA ba be dey qualify.
Passport me say asem pe.
Oh, medical say me de na medical catch o. Say ena me assure say be she. Ena me catch o say be she. Nti obi an kwaye ne passport yi. Eno de medical catch o say. Bana abeta mo nso bogo.
Asante Kotoko ye baso. Anope me ti say na oni obi di nkomo of phone so na o ka je say abeta mo ano. Kotoko phone so no mu yi.
Yeah.
Na I ha
no anche.
Offer.
I no anche.
You do, I don't know what to
Oh, that like you some
based on board.
you couple of players on my banner saying just few. Mbella buy and Chebia. Mukwala buy Yentimia Sony, Antimia Manu contracted, then my Yetimia Tono, Yeska. But I bet I'm one office now, me titano. Then Pesame preempted.
Yeah.
But it be unwanted. It be unwanted.
A dinner was a Kotoko money stay. Now, Sunday we a twitcher.
Was a one thing is okay. What's a fabu sense or so? I say, yen club near no yen. Nintimi generators can have fabu sense or so. Emma through management, Yemma place I cut you heading and Cosro.
Then march that.
Imagine say, oh, Bokotoko now, oh, $7,000 at least a year. What you say? Oh, Bokotoko now, $10,000. Yes, a year. Oh, like it's possible.
I know that my place.
They don't have because
what is at least you 5,000.
Okay, imagine say be a Ethiopia or baby at $3,000.
Okay.
Now be a player no money 5,000 Ghana.
Okay, Ethiopia.
But money 7,000. Ethiopia no the 3,000 and 4,000 ma come from. We say o Jimmy o chance ah. It your buy say so no so up in the game. Beside that, me adia ka me pompa pa se ka beta mo ase o pia free Kotoko ka onya bruchire wonko
onko straight to Europe
e be a Sweden Switzerland ho be ko e hono na e betimi ama ne call up to Black Stars as I strong but many o ka say so ko African country bia ne Black Stars
e be ba form the Black Stars komu no be ba form because
o ye outfield player na
what can answer say me sure say abetiti a on continue ho
yes
African countries, South Africa, Ethiopia, Tanzania. Ninu anom no hono okoko yo.
Say Jonathan so na ka Black Stars.
Yes, but
oko Tanzania, oko Odika ko Libya ka. E na say oko Tanzania. Say Black Stars tinka.
What can say?
Richmond Lamte ye ne ko AFCON.
Oko African country.
Oko Rwanda, say Black Stars. So those players no come Ghana League no mo bon mo dia. The call up or the call for them to be included in the Black Stars setup.
Higher than those other African countries.
That's it. Because about the side, you know, monitoring and all those stuff, you know.
You monitor.
This is be a Kaunya Elali or baby, Raja or baby, and no consideration. Yeah, said because at a point, Bernard Morrison was playing so well with Orlando Paris. With Yanga, with Simba.
But me target Abetamo and Nepa in a Facebook post. Abetamo would you okay. Unu ya no for example, African omo free.
Yeah.
Omo join other African.
Yeah.
You did from Black Stars.
Yeah, not and omo ye pa ana even share. Share media ma left back we Abdul Fatah.
Yeah.
So no so ka have continue. Ye na ko Cote d'Ivoire. But no ka Odikan ko El Mahala e o Egypt. Say Algeria. Say Black Star hotel in Kabi. But ko media ma can modern bono betimi amananya.
Yes. What can senpai asame yo master and you've made my day. I bet time I'm target. I say
that was a good win. It was a good win.
This is Kotoko back on that first.
Yeah. Oh, but since it's Kotoko 7 points, still more outstanding.
Did you that first? No, 10 points.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So we need outstanding now at catch here.
Yeah.
Now Peter Mido.
Oh, Peter Mido akwa ni head and was sumptuous.
Yes.
And of course, me sum me up with Abetamoa striking.
Super.
Absolutely magnificent.
Yes.
Abetamoa a very good material. Yeah. And that's the reason why a lot of people are calling for the call-up. Say, man call-up for Black Stars. ABR, not Black Star, Benya International Friendly next month.
No,
ABR. So let's see whether Coach Otado Betimia Montana no money call-up.
I don't give me Yankee, I qualify you. Or to you say I qualify you. In Kananki as a Sabbath, non Comomosa Cotromo. But unfortunately, it was a friend.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's game now say no matter the results no. Nanki am the French players
at
the Black Stars.
On qualify on squad.
And only at the
high. The can catch
on say
Abet so the position now one also options also.
Our since I because a game winner and ka say for the mere academic people.
In as much as all academic people Comoros no see a team on what na you so watch. And like any idea they go room against or more on Sunday and also a bema game masa yem friend ya go as I say show money show we go last 2 games of money abon ni na mo share AFCON esa share World Cup qualifiers ya omo kwa no mo team mo share World Cup yes Comoros kwa na share yeah because ya As I say, but World Cup no dey, you qualify we. Man check mo.
So, it was you qualify we any.
What do you mean? Me dey say me dey
say show.
Oh yeah, me
say. Say the Abetamo mo bokre betima show.
Oh yeah, it's possible.
So,
and no. Say who say Prince Osu Messi by and no touches me yet. I think it's very good for the confidence going into the last game against Comoros.
So you bad into you good.
Say someone like Prince Osu say I want you call up Black Stars. Me more 1.5 year on your media. Likely obekoido. And also hands on the agents who are from.
Say agency deals.
Or the agents who are from. And Obi are not just 2-3 years ago or SHS.
Yeah, we are saying.
Yeah. But Charlie Benjamin Asare so ye niema o.
You beba no wasem. Enra. Awa, I do really
Benjamin Asare so.
I want to put
you because
I want to
5
put you
World Cup qualifiers, clean sheet 4. One goal
set tight corner. You have the right not to answer or not to comment. Based on commentary going around, let's say he's a lucky goalkeeper.
Oh, he like his change. He's a good goalkeeper. Any Mali, at least you saw some threat I buy. You call Unity Cup. Ewa London in Nigeria.
Those who are making those commentaries are saying he has not been tested quite properly. It's not hard enough test.
Sir.
As a football
has been a collective game.
Does it mean I'm American?
Serbia will midfield any defense here. Those were needed.
As you said, based on everything, he's good.
Yeah, no, he's a good goalkeeper. He's a good goalkeeper. And we'll get time to talk about Benjamin Asare.
All right.
And he's doing massively well at the World Cup qualifiers. Oh yeah,
what I say, and I only like it to Aziz. I don't know that so.
Oh, Aziz there. It's just a matter of time. If Aziz get consistency here, Kotoko. Also been knocking on the doors of the Black Stars. Medical cultural assembly. Say what Black Stars set up now. Position a good and a downma we a local player with me so easily a goalkeeper. So that was the reason why I have come last AFCON. Mena mentiasia ya ma Felix anchor the team no.
Our yendi konsebi. We there. On Kotoko first choice goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Mohammed Kamara office na eba no. Kotoko should let him go. No one cash out. Now Aziz no made the first choice.
That would be the best option. And Aziz has proven himself.
Just obey me.
Top-notch goalkeeper.
Obey me.
You will express. Oh, him.
Akwano. Sikana omode bano. We can let him go.
Yeah, we can. That would be good. Give him the chance. Let him go. Put Aziz Dari
as
the
main
post.
Yes.
He will also knock on the doors of the Black Stars column.
But sir, senior man another so Kotoko now. Aziz can never become the first.
Let's see what happens. Ningina depending on Coach Karim.
Interesting days
Let's see what happens.
Was one here.
Okay.
It was here. It was a Joe for